Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna see how you can basically add Google reviews to your WordPress website. It's actually very easy, but it's also pretty complicated if you are a beginner. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. On the left hand side, we're gonna basically install a plugin, hover over plugins, and just click on add new plugin. In the search plugins button, we're gonna just see Google reviews, enter, and we're just gonna use this one right here. I usually use this one, so plugin for Google reviews. Left click on install now, and we're gonna wait for it to install. It should now change to the activate button. Left click on that, and it's gonna take us to this page right here. So here it is. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna place ID. We're gonna find some restaurant, any restaurant you want on Google. So it should be your business or whatever. I just chose a random Chinese restaurant, and we're gonna scroll down to this button right here. You're gonna right click on that, and we're gonna basically say inspect. Here we're gonna get the inspect element, and in the inspect element on your Google Chrome, we're gonna click on Control F, and we're gonna search for data ID, and here it basically is. So as you can see, after you basically say the data PID, which is actually not ID, so it's data PID, you're gonna get this right here. Just a second. So here it is. This code right here, you're gonna basically copy it. So copy that, and we're gonna go back to reviews builder. We're gonna place ID and choose English, and just left click on connect Google. So here it is. Basically we got the short code. We're just gonna click on that and click copy, and let's go to any page we want. So I'm gonna go to my sample page, for example, and just I'm gonna click here. It doesn't really matter, and I'm just gonna click on here, and it's gonna basically automatically be saved as short code. Click on update, and we're gonna click on view page, and as you can see, we have got our Google reviews. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.